If you're looking for some solid anime to pinch on Crunchyroll, here are five that I think you'll really enjoy. The first one, Dundra Don. You've probably heard of this one. It's a supernatural action comedy with some of the wildest, most eccentric characters you'll come across. The fights are intense, the humor is on point, and it's packed with that unpredictable energy that keeps you hooked. It has racked up 22 nominations at the 2025 Crunchyroll Anime Awards, so yeah, it's definitely worth the hype. The opening is really good as well, but there is one episode that's really weird, so be on the lookout for that. Second one, solo leveling. So if you're into epic power-up stories, this is your pick. It follows Sung Jin-woo, a long-rank hunter who basically goes from zero to hero after gaining some insane powers. The animation is top tier, the action scenes are ridiculously good, and it's that classic underdog vibe that is just so satisfying. Plus, it's based off of massively popular webtoon, so the story is already proven to be a banger. The third one, the Apothecary Diaries. Okay, so this one is more of a slow burn, but it's so worth it. It's set in a historical place and follows Mao Mao, a super smart but hilariously blunt apothecary who gets tangled up in all sorts of royal trauma and medical mystery. Season 2 dives even deeper into the palace politics, and storytelling is just as sharp as engaging as ever. Fourth one, Frieren Beyond the Journey's End. You've probably heard of this. Probably is an understatement. You have most definitely heard of this because this one hit differently. It's about what happens after a big fantasy adventure end. Like, what do the heroes do when they're not saving the world anymore? It's a deeply emotional and beautifully animated series that's more about reflection and nostalgia than epic battles. It's been getting tons of praises and leads to the 2025 award circuit with a whopping 29 nomination. The fifth one, I've been killing slime for 300 years and maxed out my level. And here's the chill feel good pick of the bunch. This one's perfect for you when you just want to kick back and relax. It's about someone who gets reincarnated as an immortal witch and decides to live a low-key life in the countryside. But of course, things get a little out of hand when she accidentally becomes overpowered. It's cute, funny, and just all around good time.